I'm taking a big risk here because I decided on the title of this video before I even opened the box. So TenZ, who I am only learning who you are right now, I'm trusting you. Don't let me down. According to Pulsar, after TenZ attempted to design and release his own mouse, he gave up, refunded everybody, and went to them to design his own mouse with his own signature shape. The TenZ Signature Edition and Signature Red ultra lightweight esports mouses. On the side, we got a nice little bio for Tyson here. We're on a first name basis now because I have 2 of his mice. Now that that's sorted, we can stop pretending that these are 2 different mice. They're just different colors. So I'm gonna go with the red because that one looks kind of great. It features Pulsar's XS1 flagship sensor, up to 8,000 hertz polling rate, up to 32,000 DPI sensitivity, and my friends, it weighs just 47 grams, which is pretty good for a lightweight gaming mouse, and just pretty good in general. That's very light. Also, this is nice. We did that. Now nobody will ever fail to take off the skate stickers again. You're welcome, everyone. I wanna check something. I think Tyson likes the lady's little bottom heavy. See that? Yeah, it's got the caboose. Designed for a claw grip, that actually does a great job of putting the point of balance for the mouse right where you would have your pinky and your thumb. And it offers configurable liftoff distance for incredible agility. There's actually a few buttons on the bottom. We can change the polling rate, the DPI, and whether it is on or off down here. Very convenient placement for these. You'll never accidentally press them at the very least. And then we got 2 side buttons as well as 2 top click buttons that use optical switches that are apparently rated for, what was it, 100,000 clicks or 100 million or something? 100 million clicks! I could do this 100 million times. That'd be a great old school Mr. Beast video, right? Wearing out a mouse by clicking it enough times. What else we got in here? Oh yes, the sizable dongle. Wow, that's a dongle all right. She's big, but she gives you 8,000 hertz. Wow, that's a very bulky cable. It's okay, I don't blame Tyson for that because it says he designed the shape of the mouse, not the shape of the cable. Hey, look, I get a sticker. I'll be Team TenZ. They'll be like, but how gaming are you? And I'll say, TenZ. And they'll say, are you all right? And I'll say, sorry, I'm feeling a little tense. Ooh, a player card. Oh, it's for the mouse. This would be way cooler if it was like Tyson's stats. He won the Valorant Masters in Madrid and came in 4th in Seoul. That should be here. Oh, it is here. But it's in the fine print. Oh, here's all your DPI settings by default: 400, 800, 1600, 3200, 6400, and 12800. Oh, and there's little color change LEDs. That's cool. That shows you which bloody DPI and polling rate you're in. That's a nice little feature. You hold both buttons to pair. It does work over Bluetooth. It also works over a wire, but just like we learned from Logitech like 10 years ago or whatever, the wired mode is actually slower than the wireless mode, so you wanna use wireless. Oh, dot skates. Okay, so if you don't like the big wide feet, or if you forget to remove the stickers down here, it can happen to anybody. You could put these dot glide feet over top. Doesn't bother me personally, so I'm just gonna do this. Remove. All right, that's it for included stuff. Let's play some games after I tell you about our sponsor. Saily, it's summertime, things are heating up. Maybe you wanna really embrace the rays with a well-deserved vacation. Well, with Saily, you can make sure you stay connected during your travels. They've got eSIM plans in over 200 destinations, so just load things up before you head out, and you can be sipping drinks on the beach while doom scrolling at the same time. Wow, modern vacation, isn't it great? They're affordable too. Definitely more affordable than roaming charges, and you don't have to worry about where you're getting your physical SIM from when you land. So visit our link in the description, head over to saily.com/shortcircuit, or scan the QR code on screen and use code ShortCircuit to get 15% off an eSIM plan today. Now to game. So what's my default? Okay, so here, let's play around with these buttons a little bit. So my DPI, oh yeah, look at that, we got the little colored light, which still works through the red plastic. Oh yeah, and I can also change the hertz. So many hertz. Have all the hertz. I want 8,000 hertz. Please select your device. I mean, I only got one installed, so yeah, cool. Okay, performance, yeah, let's go 800. The mouse is offline, please move first. I mean, Does that work? Oh, you can tune the debounce time so that you won't accidentally get any double clicks. Turbo mode increases power consumption, but we don't care about that. Let's go 800 DPI and 8K polling rate. Improved pointer precision. Now hold on just a gosh darn second. Is that like the Windows one? No, it's a different one. I assume I want that, right? I like better precision, right? Anyone? Bueller? Okay, this is great, look at that. You can set macros, key combinations. Nice lightweight mouse application. You know what? I like it. And close. Time to play video games. These fans really are quite loud. Vocal, you might say. So Tyson did the shape. But where's the knock to a fan? Huh? That one's quite a bit heavier though. All right, let's go. I only need pistols because I have this mouse. Halo gaming, Halo gaming. No. Oh, I popped the shields. No, I'm gonna die! Damn it, I got greedy. A mouse cannot make you less greedy. Although, it can make you have less money. See, my friends, it's a fairly expensive mouse. No!
It's working.
Tyson would be proud!
I like how you're in a first name basis with TenZ.
With Tyson? Yeah, of course. Dude, I am freaking rusty.
How's the mouse though?
Oh, the mouse is great. I love it.
Is that the grip you prefer?
Generally, I'm less of a claw guy, and I'm more of like a light palm, which, as far as I can tell, not that dissimilar from a claw, you know? Look, at my level, any like pretty good mouse is gonna be pretty darn good, you know? And if it's good enough for Tyson, like I said, it's good enough for me.
But for $140, would you buy this mouse?
For $140? I don't know, man, that's a lot. Look, I like the mouse. I like the butt heavy. Don't tell my wife. One more kill.
Oh, yeah!
Let's go!
Subscribe to ShortCircuit.
Subscribe to ShortCircuit. I like the mouse. Which is really lucky because that's what we titled the video.